Okay, now let's start putting up things together to automate our test. The first step, as we said, is we wanted to open up the browser. Now here we will take help of Selenium and we'll write this piece of code which is Selenium-WebDriver module usage. So in these 3 lines we are asking WebDriver builder that please build a driver for Firefox browser and launch it. Now since we are using a WebDriver module, we need to use this module from Selenium. So what we will do is var WebDriver equals require, and we will say Selenium WebDriver. That is the module we are going to use. And these are the Node.js bindings of Selenium library that we can use to launch a browser. Now once the browser launches, we will take it to a website and we'll do a whole bunch of steps, and in the end we'll write close the browser. So we'll say driver.quit. So this is a command that will be used to quit the browser. So here we are launching the browser, and at this step we are quitting the browser, and we are using Selenium WebDriver to do this stuff. Now how will Node know what Selenium WebDriver is? In order to get to that point, we need to install this Node module with the help of npm. Now npm is a command line tool that gets installed with Node.js. So when we installed Node.js, it installed node.exe as well as npm. So the command that we need to run is, we'll say npm install and we'll say selenium-webdriver and we hit enter. When we do that, what this npm does is it will download the required binaries of Selenium WebDriver module and it will keep onto the desktop. So we can see side by side that this command has created a folder here which is node modules that it is downloading from online. If I go and open it, then we will see here it has got Selenium WebDriver module for us. Now people who are from Java background, they would know about Maven. So Maven does the same thing. It goes and fetches the dependencies from online and it adds that as part of the project. People who come from C# background, they will know about Nugget package manager. So Nugget package manager does the same thing in C#. So similar concept in JavaScript is npm. So now we have our dependency and we have written the lines of code which just launches and closes the browser. Why not go ahead and give it a run just to see our first few lines of code have started working. Okay, so all this is going to happen very fast, so you need to be really careful in monitoring the browser window. So let's go back and so let's run our first scenario where we are simply opening the browser and we are closing the browser. So we say node valid login test and we see the browser is launching and going away. So we have achieved success in getting the binaries added as dependencies to our project, to our test, and we saw the browser is launching and exiting. Now quickly we will fill in the rest of the code to automate our complete scenario.